Hello, grandkids. It's Mema for Stories with Mema. I found at the library a fun book called Hank Goes Honk. This book is written by Maudie Powell Tuck. This looks like it's going to be a fun book. Geese do honk sometimes, don't they? Hank Goes Honk. This is Hank the goose. Sometimes Hank is impatient and obnoxious. Obnoxious means extremely unpleasant, which means not nice. How can a goose be obnoxious? Oh, just you wait and see. Hank interrupts. Did you hear that? I think Hank is honking. Everybody. So if I tell you a really great story about do you hear that? Hank is interrupting us. You won't hear a word. Oh no. See what I mean? That Hank, what an obnoxious goose. It gets worse. Hank takes the cherries from cupcakes. He talks about himself all the time. Taking the cherries from the cupcakes, that's no good. He in the library and during movies. And whatever you do, don't let him near your books or your balloon. Peck. Uh-oh, what happens when a goose pecks a balloon? Bang! Classic Hank. Oh, look at Bunny, so sad. Her balloon popped. But being obnoxious can't always be fun, can it, Hank? Doesn't it leave you feeling a little lonely? Oh, he sounds kind of lonely with that last honk, huh? So maybe it's time for a change. Time for a whole new Hank. Ooh, he's got an idea. He's reading a book. Time to take turns, listen to others, and share toys. High five, Hank. You're being very considerate. Considerate means thinking of others. We are so proud of you. Cuddling babies, helping others cross the street, playing with all your new friends, and not popping Bunny's beautiful big red balloon. Hank? Uh-oh. Bang! We know you're disappointed in yourself, Hank. But don't peck. Oh, he's pecking all over everything. Peck, 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 peck. All of his notes. Oh, Hank, it's okay. You really tried. Let's start again. Take a deep breath. That's it. And, well, I was not expecting you to blow up a new balloon for Bunny. Such a big, blue, utterly poppable new balloon to say you're sorry. But Hank, you aren't going to pop it. Are you? Oh, let's hope Hank doesn't pop it. He's trying really hard, isn't he? To not be mean. He's trying to be considerate and kind. Did you hear Hank honking? I did. I think he's around here somewhere. All right, grandkids. Mima loves you very much. I love you. A bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I'll read you later.